Hello everyone. Decided to make a short video about these two bikes. Basically, I'm an owner of both. Using it for, I guess, 3 months already, and just want to share my expression on the bikes, because for me it was always a curious question: which one is better? Which has the better sound, exhaust pipe of exhaust system, the speed, the acceleration, control, and all this stuff. Well, just want to say a couple of words about both bikes before to go to the sound comparison. So the black one is Aprilia RSV1000R, 2007 year. This is version factory. Actually, it's a full of carbon. Carbon is almost everywhere in this bike. It's really nice looking bike. So if you're riding it on the street, you got the all attention of the people, and people starting to shake hands and say hello for you, just to attract your attention and to look at this bike. This version with OZ discs and this gold painted fork frame and discs, really looking very nice. On this bike I have the GPR exhaust system. The sound is really nice, but different from Honda. There's a close look here. Everything is really good looking. Well, accelerating is awesome. I didn't see the really difference with these two bikes. What I can say is that Aprilia is much more comfortable to go with the curves, because you can change the direction of the turn very fast and easy. Basically, I can say that the control of this bike is like a ride a bicycle for me. Well, for me, I think Aprilia is a kind of really fashionable guy who is really good looking, and sometimes can go on the track and make some noise there. Awesome bike. What else I can say is that the height of the sitting is pretty the same as with the Honda, but your legs will be really, I would say, significantly higher compared to Honda. And for me, this is not comfortable, because for the comfort point of view, I would say that Honda is better than Aprilia. Honda is pretty comfortable to sit, to ride, and everything. With Aprilia, it's not like this, but still acceptable. With Aprilia, you have traditionally the rock solid clutch system, and to change the gears is really hard, and sometimes you need to push really hard to change the gear, and then also to catch the neutral gear is really a task. It's something you get used to. Well, let's go to Honda. Sorry, it's about dirty, because I'm using it more often than Aprilia. Well, what I can say, the Honda is really looking more brutal compared to Aprilia, so it's a kind of a warrior on the road. This is Honda VTR1000 version SP2. This is the last generation of VTR bikes, sport bikes. And what I can say, what I can highlight with this bike, I can highlight that it's really comfortable to ride on it. It's both on low speed when you are in the traffic jam. It's pretty narrow. It's pretty comfortable to sit, and your legs is not that high like with Aprilia. So I found it much more comfortable to ride, and this is actually the appropriate bike for the everyday riding, for example. So you can go basically to your job, or then you can go to the raceway and make some noise there. Well, I like both bikes, but for me, Honda is more for everyday riding, and Aprilia is when I have some celebration, let's say. Well, so let's start the compare the exhaust system sound. But what I forgot to say is that here I have the slip-on from Honey exhaust system. To be sure, I don't know exactly the from where these pipes from, but I think it's for sure it's Japanese one, and I think it's related to the Ishimura. The view from the back. Well, we will start from the heating up of both bikes.